Want to build a comprehensive sales and profitability dashboard in under 2 minutes? This is what we're building. This is the data we're working with. Let's create it live. We'll start by importing our sales data into Bricks. Just click Import Data and select your file. The data uploads instantly. Now we'll click Create Dashboard and watch Bricks AI go to work. Bricks is analyzing our sales data, identifying key metrics, and automatically generating the perfect visualizations. It's creating charts for gross profit, operating expenses, revenue by region, discount analysis, product performance, and time series trends. The AI understands relationships in our data and builds meaningful insights without any manual configuration. Our comprehensive sales and profitability dashboard is complete with 7 dynamic charts and 2 detailed tables. Everything from revenue breakdowns to profit margins, all automatically generated and perfectly formatted. We can instantly customize the theme to match our brand preferences. Now let's enter presentation mode for stakeholder meetings. This full-screen view eliminates distractions and highlights our key metrics beautifully. Each visualization is crisp and professional, perfect for executive presentations. The interactive elements still work seamlessly, allowing real-time data exploration during meetings. Back to edit mode, we can scroll through and customize any element. Try Bricks today and transform how you work with data.